Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to start programming language for beginners. Before diving in, reflect on your motivations. Do you want a career in tech, or are you looking to build websites, apps or games, or are you interested in data analysis or automation? Start with beginner-friendly free tools that simplify learning like code editors, VS Code, Sublime Text or Atom. Learning platforms like Code Academy, Free Code Camp, and Khan Academy. Version control like GitHub, and helpful resources like Stack Overflow, W3 Schools, or MDN Web Docs. These tools will help you experiment, practice, and troubleshoot effectively. Now focus on language at a time based on your goals like Python, JavaScript, HTML or CSS, and C++ or Java. Now apply what you learn with a simple project. Build a personal website with HTML or CSS. Make a small calculator app with Python or JavaScript, or create a basic game on Python or JavaScript. Document your code with clear documents and comments like explain what each section or function does. Help understand your logic later and build good coding habits and prepares you for framework. So, code every day, even for 30 minutes. Revisit older projects to improve them and participate in coding challenges on sites like HackerRank and LeetCode. Consistency is key to turning concepts into skills. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.